Hi students, welcome to my channel Rakesh Tutorials. Today our topic is pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 4.1, second bit, C question. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. So I am solving this equation. Solution: 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. Next, 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. So first, for this equation, it is in fractions. So do the LCM and simplify this first equation. So 3 by LCM is 6, 2 comma 3. LCM of 2 comma 3 is 6. Okay, so now do cross multiplication simply for like this of fractions. So do cross multiplication simply. 3 3 ja 9x plus 5 2 ja 10y by 3 2 ja 6 is equal to 7. So it is 9x plus 10y is equal to 6 is here dividing. Transposing means multiplying. So 7 6 ja 42. Okay, so equations are 9x plus 10y is equal to 42. 9x minus 10y is equal to 7. Okay, now do a1 by a2. a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is 9 by 9. 9 by 9 means it is 1. Do b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is equal to 10 minus 10. 10 by minus 10. See, 10 1 ja 10 1 ja, in denominator minus 1 there, so it is moving to numerator, so it is minus 1. Observe here, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. For this, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 means hence the lines are consistent. Hence the lines are consistent and have an unique solution. Have an unique solution. See, if condition is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then hence the lines are consistent and have an unique solution. So for the graph, now we have to draw tables. Okay, so for first table, for the equation 9x plus 10y is equal to 42. X y is equal to, here x comma y. Okay, y is equal to, so for this this equation we are writing in y. So y sign is plus, so transpose x to RHS. So 10y is equal to 42 minus 9x. Okay, by transposing plus becomes minus. Now transpose 10 to RHS. So y is equal to 42 minus 9x by 10. 42 minus 9x by 10. So 42 minus 9x by 10. Okay, now take 0, x value as 0, so substitute x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 42 minus 9 into 0 by 10. 9 into 0 0, so 42 by 10. 42 by 10 means it is 4.2. So y value is 4.2. So this value is 0 comma 4.2. Take 1, y value as 1, sorry, x value as 1. So substitute here, y is equal to 42 minus 9 into, in place of x substitute 1 by 10. So 42 minus 9 1 ja 9 by 10. 42 minus 9. 42 minus 9 is 33. 33 by 10. Cut 10 1 ja, 10 3 ja, 0.3. So it is 3.3. So the point is 1 comma 3.3. Okay. Next, draw the table for second equation. For 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. For this x, y is equal to x comma y. Now I am writing equation y. See, y is here having minus sign, so transpose to RHS. So 9x is equal to 10y plus 12. Okay. Next, transpose 12 to LHS. 9x minus 12 is equal to 10y. This implies y is equal to transpose 10 to LHS. Means 9x minus 12 by 10. So y is equal to 9x minus 12 by 10. 9x minus 12 by 10. 9x minus 12 by 10. So take x value as 0. For 0, y is equal to 9 into 0 minus 12 by 10. It is minus 12 by 10. Minus 12 by 10 means this value is minus 1.2. Minus 1.2. So it is minus 1.2. Value is 0 comma minus 1.2. Take now x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 9 into 1 minus 12 by 10. So 9 1 ja 9 minus 12 by 10. 9 minus 12 is minus 3 by 10. See, minus 3 by 10 means this value is minus 0.3. So it is minus 0.3. Point is 1 comma minus 0.3. Okay. First, write this. This all work is rough work. If you want to write means write. Otherwise, don't write. Do roughly. Okay. This table is important. Okay. Now I am noting these points 0 comma 4.2, 1 comma 3.3. Next 0 comma minus 1.2, 1 comma minus 0.3. By using these points, now I am drawing the graph for these lines. Okay students, this is the graph. It is x-axis, it is y-axis. Okay, so it is 0 comma 4.2, 0 comma 4.2. It is 0 4.2 here. So it is 0 comma 4.2. Next 1 comma 3.3. It is 1 3 3.3. 1 comma 3.3. By the use of scale, draw a line like this. Okay. Next, this is first line. Okay. Write the first line here. Next, 0 comma minus 1.2. It is 0. It is minus 1 minus 1.2. Next 1 comma minus 0.3. It is 1. Here minus, here down values are minus, so here minus 0.3. Now joining the points, draw a line like this. Okay, these equations are, write the lines equations. This line is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. This line is 9x minus 10y is equal to 12. Here don't forget to write scale. Scale is on x-axis 1 cm is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. See here taken 1 2 3 1 2 3, so 1 unit taken. So on scale 1 unit written. So now these both lines are intersected at a point. Only it is one unique solution. Okay, it is one unique solution. So this point is coming like this. Okay, so this value lies between x value is, I think it is 2.5, and it is between 1 and 2, means I think 1.8. okay, like this coming. I draw roughly, so I can't get correct answer. So you do on the graph and write the correct point, find out the correct point. Okay, after drawing the graph, don't forget to write the scale on right side of the graph. Okay, so students, I think all of you understood this problem. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and please refer to your class friends. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section.